This video will show you how to attach the Skarper unit onto your bike. Here we have the disc brake rotor, and this is the derailleur. Next to it we have the brake caliper. We also have the chainstay and the pedal cranks. Before fitting Skarper to your bike, you'll need to replace the disc brake rotor with our disc drive rotor. There are two types of rotor fittings, 6-bolt and Centerlock. Both are compatible with Skarper. First, remove your rear wheel. It is easiest if you shift to your lowest gear. Then release the rear axle. This is a through axle, but quick release is a similar process. Pull the derailleur back and the wheel should drop. Use a Centerlock tool to remove the lock ring. There are two types of lock rings, internal and external, which require different tools. Remove your old disc brake rotor from the hub. Refit the Centerlock assembly, 6-bolt adapter, disc drive and lock ring. Avoid touching the braking surface as it will contaminate it and may reduce the braking performance. Use the lock ring tool and tighten to 40 Nm or as specified by your bike's manufacturer. Make sure the disc drive rotor is correctly seated and that the spokes and disc drive rotor are not touching. Refit the rear wheel. This is the reverse process of removing it. Pulling the derailleur back again, align the chain on the smallest cog and then push the wheel into the dropouts. Finally, reattach the axle. Check that your brakes are working properly.